Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another episode of the Thomas Clan. It's been a while since we spoke. I'm so happy to be coming to you in your homes from our new home, and we did finally move. We are settling in. Still have some boxes we haven't put away, but things are finally starting to look up. And I'm very happy to make this video. This is going to be a quick one, just a couple of announcements, and then I look forward to what 2018 is going to be bringing us. First of all, we're going to be more organized with how we release our videos, and the plan is going to be every Wednesday we're going to release a new video. During the busier times of the year, when there's a lot of planting, a lot of harvesting, I'll probably be releasing a lot of extra videos at other times, but at least every Wednesday night or early Thursday morning. If you go to bed early, that's okay too, because I'll probably be uploading it late Wednesday night when the day is over. So next announcement, for those of you who don't know, baby number last, or number 7 really, is going to be a baby girl. Name will be Margaret Grace Evangeline, and we are super excited for her to be coming. Last couple of days she's really been getting strong with her kicks, and it's been so nice. And knowing that this is going to be the last time we have a little baby on the way, and we're trying to make it extra special, and that's been so much fun. So now for the garden stuff. Firstly, we're going to be gardening in all new locations next year. When I say locations, I mean it plural. So let me explain. Firstly, with moving, obviously we can't garden where we were last year because that was rental property. Where we are living now, unfortunately, there's no space to garden in the yard. But the first little bit of garden, what we're going to do a little bit of vertical gardening. I'm going to get some pallets. We're going to make like a pallet garden, and we're going to plant some small things there, like herbs, maybe some lettuce, things like that. I'm super excited to build it. I'm going to make a video building it, planting it. I'm going to show you guys the updates. I'm very excited about that. I'm going to do some other container stuff, like some 5-gallon buckets for some smaller plants as well for here at our new home. Location number 2, which I'm super excited about, is going to be at my lodge. For those of you who don't know, I'm a Freemason, and the lodge, my home lodge, is going to be. It has a large yard where there have been gardens in the past, and recently it hasn't been used as such, but now it will, and we're going to have about 900 square feet of garden, give or take. We're also going to be doing our composting there, where I can make some really good composting videos, a little bit more detailed than what I made last year, so that's going to be just a fantastic location. I'm going to be showing you guys everything from the planning, obviously, all the updated videos all throughout the year, all the way to harvest. I'm super excited about doing a garden there. And then location number 3, we're going to be doing about another 900 square feet in the main garden, plus a smaller area off to the side, most likely at our family's vacation home, which is in the state of New Hampshire. And so we're going to be growing some different crops. Now, we don't go there often, but obviously every time we're there, we're going to make a bunch of videos. And it's just going to be fantastic. We'll grow a lot of different things at the 2 different locations. I've started making plans for the garden, and what I'm planning to do with a high density gardening idea, I'm hoping to, in the 1,800 plus square feet, I'm hoping to plant over 4,000 square feet worth of vegetables. But obviously we're going to do it in ways and methods that we have phenomenal success, phenomenal results. So we're going to record a couple of series. I'm going to re-record the Gardening by the Moon videos I did and record the rest of them that I never did or never was able to finish correctly because of so many computer issues last year. I'm also going to be making series on how to properly plant a garden. That's going to be the first series that I do because I'm already planning and I can't wait to take you guys along with me for that video. And we're gonna be doing so many great projects, so many great things, and the Thomas clan, every one of us from me all the way down to little Nathaniel and everyone in between, we're so happy to take you along with us. So I hope you enjoy all of our videos, and if there's anything in particular that you want to see from our gardens, anything particular from our food saving, or any of our other learning curves that we're on this year, because the main idea is still the original idea of this page, which is to document our journey to getting to the homestead of which we would like to be living on when Zabrina and I finally purchase our house. So if there's anything that you want to see, please feel free to comment below, or you can find us on Facebook. Actually, you can find us on Instagram as well. Yeah, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and I hope you enjoy all of our videos. Thank you so much. Bye.